What's going on today, YouTube? Today, I want to show you guys a scanner to find stocks that, like this, that can get you potential for 200+% gains. Now, this scanner, all this scanner does is pick up stocks that are going to have more than a 5% increase on a day. If you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about the stock market, I just teach you guys things I wish I knew when I first started. Little tips here and there that'll help get your guys' learning curve, and I go over my trades every week. You can see what I trade. And if you like this kind of content, leave a like below, comment if you have any questions, and let's get started. So, to find stocks like this, these are the stocks you need to go after if you're into day trading, swing trading, whatever. And this is a very simple scanner. I'll show you this scanner right here. You can pause the video if you want to, but all it is, this scanner just picks up stocks from 10 cents to $10. I have a million volume here, just so I want to make sure it's easy to get in and out of my trades as fast as possible. And it's going to look for stocks that changed positive 5% on the day. So to get back to these charts. Back here, this stock picked up on this scanner since it was back here. This big green day it had right here. And a lot of day traders, they'll look for this point. They'll look for this point for it to break above a new high in the past 6 months. As you can see, if you bought at that point, you'd be up almost 400% in 32 days on whatever amount you invested. That's pretty insane. So this scanner, this came up again on the scanner because it had more than a 5% increase in a day. It had a 10% increase just on Friday alone. Right now, it's pushing pretty far away from that EMA line. So typically, if you're looking to trade this stock, see in the past how when it pushes away, it has this consolidation. If it still holds above this EMA line, it might go even farther. It's hard to tell. It's hard to tell with these stocks. It depends what kind of news they come out with. You can look through the news, see what's making it spike right now. And, well, you see right here, the company signed a letter of intent to purchase pharmacy in Palm Beach for $300,000. The acquisition of this pharmacy will facilitate growth by increasing the delivery radius into Martin County. So this company's growing, it's expanding. That's why it's spiking right now. It's all on hype, it's all on news. You gotta look into the financials, see if this company is actually worth holding for long term, or you can just get a quick profit on it. It'll be interesting to see what happens on this point going forth. I'm recording this on Sunday, March 4th. So right now it's pushing pretty far away from that EMA line. Might expect for a little pullback like so, back in here, back in here, back in here. And if it still holds above, it could keep on going. Who knows how far this thing will go. It's only at 12 cents right now. Some other ones this picks up, such as this company, IMLFF. It's a pharmaceutical company. If you guys are looking to trade anything lately, you know pharmaceutical companies are going crazy. But the scanner picked up this stock back in here. And if you would have bought it back in here, you could have sold up here for over 100% gain on your money. So now, another key people look for, day traders look for, when this company has potential to spike in the past, it has a little downtrend. And then when it holds and starts spiking again, it's right around that $1 mark now. That $1 mark, it's hard to overcome. It's hard to pass. So pay attention to it, see what happens. This DRRX, showing signs of an uptrend again. You can see it had a drop off its 6-month highs, dropped the whole way down to here, had positive earnings, just reported another positive earnings, and it's showing sign of an uptrend again. So, this thing keep on spiking. But you need to, if you guys want to find stocks to trade, set up that scanner. I'll go back to it quick. You can pause it and copy it, but figure out your price range of stocks you're looking at. Figure out how much you could even make this higher. That would even weed out more stocks. But that scanner just shows you stocks that are moving. And when you're a day trader, you want to get stuff that's moving. You don't want to get stuff that's just going to hover around, consolidate. You want to get stuff on the move. So look, when you set up this scanner, look through this list. See what stocks fit you the most. Like this one. It had a huge spike. It's LTBR. And now it came crashing the whole way back down, like a lot of these penny stocks do. But when they consolidate again, they can really make another run. Figure on Friday, this one had a 20% gain. That's huge. If you can get one trade like that every day, that's insane. And when I just one thing, if you're looking for day trading, don't have like look through this list. Have that scanner, look through the list. Figure out the ones that fit your patterns, fit you the most. See what kind of news they came out with. And then narrow it down and watch only a couple of them. You can't watch, there's probably 30 stocks on this list. Probably more than that. You can't watch that many stocks at the same time. Figure out which ones you see the most potential in and watch those. And then you can use this scanner every day. Every day, go in, see what's moving, and play off the movement. Day traders, you want stocks that are moving. So I look for these stocks that are consolidating and breaking new highs. Those are the ones that seem to make day traders a lot of money when they break to new highs. New highs or even 6-month highs. Like back at that stock we started at, I think it shows one of the better ones because you can see it had a little spike here. It came back down. And once it passes this level, that's a new high for this stock. It tends to go. It tends to really rise. And you never know how far it'll go. And yeah, I know a lot of people don't like to trade stocks that are only pennies, but just watch it for future. If this thing gets all the way up to $1, it'll bring in a lot more volume, a lot more people, and see where it goes. So keep it on your watch list. If it fits you, fits your pattern. So that's it for the video. Just want to show you guys a scanner to find stocks to trade every day. This just shows you the things moving the most, things moving the fastest, and things with the biggest gains on the day. If you like this kind of content, you want to learn more about stock market, I just teach you guys stuff I wish I knew when I first started. So if you like it, subscribe to my channel, leave a like on the video, comment below. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you guys tomorrow.